Can you put this in the box? Can you put that in the box?
Then I'll get out of your background.
Can you put that in the box?
No, I'm in his,
You did it! Good job. You put the toy in the box. Wow, that was a good job, Evan. You did it. You put that toy in the box. You put the toy in the box again. You're always so fussy. Good job. All right, well, just trying to think. I feel like I should check my list of things to do so I can stay motivated.